This is the very beautiful wigs we make for customers every day, and I really love my job. I'm making the customers happy every day. I make their hair business happy every day, and their clients keep coming back to purchase the hair. So welcome to contact me for the wholesale hair business. And please subscribe my channel, subscribe my YouTube channel. Remember, always follow me and I can give you some more hair ideas and also help people to start up the hair business. The wig is, one is the HD lace frontal wig and another one is the full lace wig. I hope you enjoy this video. A very natural hairline, pre-plucked hairline. This one. Let me take it out and you see this one is the full lace wigs. Yes, it's all lace, full lace wigs. It's very rare in the market nowadays, and we still have some in stock and we can ship the hair out on the same day. Look at this hair, it's very full when I am shaking these wigs. Look at it's very soft, very. And remember my height is a 1.81 meters. So I'm kind of a little bit tall in China. So the hair will just reach to my back. Let me put it back and I'm going to show you another HD lace frontal wig, another side. So follow me. Let me take it. I add the elastic band for this wig. Yes, you see elastic. So let me take it out. It's a wig made with the bundles and the HD lace frontal. It's very full. I like it very much. We can make different cap size. Medium cap size. This one is the medium cap size. Still, let me install on my head. Is the which is like 22 to 22 inch. So it just reach my back. So you can see the difference between the HD lace frontal wig and the full lace wig. Let me shake it. It's very soft. I hope you like this.